Form 26AS is your tax credit statement for the financial year. Similar to a bank statement, except for debit and credit transactions, it contains details of tax credit on your PAN. It is an important document when filing your income tax return. This consolidated tax credit statement contains details like TDS deducted on your salary, TDS deducted on sale of immovable property, TDS deducted on rent on property, details of TCS collected, for example, on purchase of car, jewelry, etc., details of high value transactions, advance tax, and self-assessment tax paid during the year. Additionally, contains details like name and TAN of deductors. You can view and download Form 26AS from your income tax e-filing account. Form 26AS should be checked every quarter to avoid any discrepancy in the details. In case of any mismatch, such as TDS has been deducted on your income but is not deposited, like in case of bank interest, rent received, salary, or sale of house property, you should contact your deductor to avoid tax liability and interest penalty. You can claim the tax credit reflected in Form 26AS while filing your income tax return. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. We are Quicko, on a mission to simplify taxes for all.